Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to design this amazing modern wireframe chair in SOLIDWORKS step by step. It has a unique circular frame structure, smooth curves, a style modern looks that perfect for practicing advanced surface and sweep features. If you enjoy SOLIDWORKS tutorials and 3D design content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Before I start, let's aim for 50 likes on this video. Now let's start design this beautiful chair from scratch. Let's create a base ring. Select front plane, draw a vertical line and horizontal line. Let's define this. This one horizontal line will be 60 mm. I am going to create a two circle. One circle will be 180 mm diameter. Zoom it out and drag this circle in an upward direction. Select this and this point. The distance will be 150 mm. Okay, and then we will create another circle here. Make it coincident to this horizontal line and the diameter will be 80 mm and okay. Still not defined. Select these both circles must be in a tangent position. Again not defined well. What will be the problem? Select this line and this circle, make it tangent. Yeah, perfect. Our sketch is fully defined. We will trim these unwanted parts. Drag this line up to here. Trim this part, this and this, and okay. Pause the video and you can see how I trimmed. Once the sketch has been completed, we will use revolved wash base feature and revolve this by using a vertical axis and okay. Next step, I am going to apply appearances. Polished zinc, it looks cool. We will draw another geometry using a front plane. Select front plane, sketch. Here I am going to define 3 horizontal lines like this, and then I am going to create 3 lines here. Later we will split. Although I have defined this sketch with dimension, later I will remove this. So don't write any dimensions. Go to surface and surface extrude, select mid and up to 200 mm. Okay. Now we will split these things. We will split revolve one step by step. Select intersection. The selection will be this face and this body. Use tab key. You can hide. This is a shortcut. Again I am going to select split, select clear the selection, sorry, okay, and hide this. Undo, Ctrl Z. Again I have to reverse the selection and okay, and hide it. As you can see, our body has been splitted. Again I am going to select split lines. First will be this face and that face, and hide this surface body. This face and this body and okay. If you want to hide, you can use tab key. and it's done. Next step, we will use swept balls. Select this edge, circular profile, and the diameter will be 5. Again, go to edit, unmerge the result, uncheck the merge results. Again, I am going to select circular profile. I am going to select this circular edge and uncheck the merge result. Okay, I am going to fast forward these things. I hope you completed these things. Hide this by using tab key. Now find the revolve one or surface extrude one, select sketch. I'm going to delete all the dimension. Okay, pause the video and arrange this line like this way. Don't worry about fully define the sketch. We will adjust later. Next step, select front plane. I am going to show revolve one sketch and convert entities. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button. I highly appreciate. Exit the sketch, hide the sketch, go to swept balls, select this second option, circular profile. This time the diameter will be 5 and uncheck the merge result. We will create axis, select front and right, go to axis and OK. This way we have created an axis by selecting front plane and right plane. Go to circular pattern, direction will be this axis and the bodies I want to pattern will be this, and how many bodies I want, 80, and OK. Next step, show the surface extrude one. Select this, hide it. I am going to cut by using a split tool. Go to split and trim tool will be this, and cut the bodies. How many bodies I want to cut? Let's select by manually. Okay, zoom in somewhere here, and as you can see, orange and pink color will be selected, and this portion I am going to split or consume it or delete it, and consume cut bodies and OK. We have cut this portion. Hide this all planes by using a tab keys. Next, go to right plane. We will make a seat for sitting. The dimension, let's define. The vertical line will be 10 mm and the horizontal 30 mm, and the bottom to the vertical line, the distance will be 70, and this, drag this, make this point and that point, make it vertical. Let's apply revolve, select this axis and OK. Unmerge the result. I'm going to use I'm going to use a fillet. Here select asymmetric, select this edge, and the first radius one will be 5 mm, and OK. Here if a person wants to sit, a person can't sit, so let's re-edit this sketch. Go to the surface extrude, delete this angle, arrange like this, and OK. Now a person can sit in this modern chair. Let's apply color and appearances. Select this body. I am going to apply wood, not stone. Select wood and beach, satin finished beach, and OK. Select this face. We will use combine feature. Select all the parts. OK, 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 OK. And remove this seat. Select this. It will removed. This will be a separate body. Now let's combine one. Go to edit appearances, and I'm going to use red color, and OK. Now render this modern chair high quality. Render. OK, pause the video as you can see on my screen, and OK. It will render in a high quality. So this is a final output. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this modern chair design. If you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment what model you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.